Alright, I'm going to demonstrate how to install, well, bond this red carbon fiber sleeve over this 22 caliber Smooth Twist X liner. This is a 600 mil, and this length is perfect for the 600 mil. Alright, make sure you clean your barrel thoroughly. Make sure there's no grease or lead, and even inside your barrel tube, make sure all debris, lead, grease is removed from there. All right, because this is going to slide in there, so you want it not to, bind in there, because you have so much foreign matters in there. All right, when it's all clean, I'm going to use this silicone RTV. I think it's really good damping capability, so we're going to give it a try. First, you got to measure, is your jam nut, is your sleeve going to be. So you want to apply the silicone up to this point here. All right. I'm going to use white. You don't have to be on both sides or anything. We're going to rotate the carbon fiber in one direction so it evenly apply it all the way through. There. Grab, then kind of rotate like this slowly. Make sure you get it all in there, because this tube has clearance in there to apply the silicone, so it'll make it stiff, kind of rubberize. It'll absorb the vibration and maintaining, keeping the liner twice as stiff. All right, put your gloves on, because excess we're going to put in the front. All right, the excess we're going to put in the front a little bit. You'll measure your jam nut, see how long it's going to be. All right, see where there's no silicone here, I put some there. Move it back in. Put some on this end. Now, since there's clearance here, we're going to apply an O-ring in each end to keep the liner aligned before it cures, so it'll go inside the black tube evenly. I have an O-ring here. I'm going to shove it in there. I'm going to remove the excess silicone. Going to use a little scribe and push the O-ring in. You could push it in and rotate, and when it's in there, it keeps the clearance, even clearance between the liner and the carbon fiber tube. And we're going to do the same thing in the front. Remove excess. Now we're going to put the O-ring in. And we're going to use the jam nut, so we have a right distance. Go right there. Then you move the carbon fiber in. There. Then this O-ring that's out of place. Just push it back in. Don't be in a rush. This it's a 24-hour cure time for the silicone, so you just gotta make sure you place the O-ring till it disappears. All right. Clean up on this side. Alright, you push your jam nut all the way because this is a perfect measurement when it goes inside. This little minor clearance when it's a stainless steel goes in there. Right there. Right. You could remove the excess silicone layer after it cures. Alright, now remove the jam nut. Well, we're going to use the jam nut to push the liner, the carbon fiber and the liner inside the tube. Right. You could push it down like that also if you can't see the O-ring, and then push the O-ring all the way in. I'd like to remove the excess silicone. Especially remove the excess silicone here so it doesn't bond with the other barrel adapter, the stainless steel piece. You can use even a little wire brush to remove excess. There. Alright, now we put the barrel there and the clamp lightly. Now man, look at the little line here, the breech end. We'll slide it in. We'll use the jam nut, thread it in till it bottoms out. And lightly tighten it. Alright, you could let this cure overnight and it should be, the liners are going to be stiffer. I think the silicone is going to dampen the vibration more between the carbon fiber sleeve and the liner, and it's not going to flex that much because the clearance between the carbon fiber and this tube is kind of just enough there just to sleeve the slide in, so there's no play in it. And when you remove it next time to clean the barrel, change liner, and you don't have to worry about the O-ring getting left behind or out of position when you put it back in. All right, let's just say, yeah, when it cures, you could pull it out, pull out the liner. May require some kind of a needle nose, you know, with no aggressive teeth on there. You just clamp on it and help it start moving so you can grab it. And when you put it back in and out, it's easy. You have to worry about O-ring, and it's really stiff system. All right, and we'll do some more testing on this sealant to see how it performs. All right, it's overnight, at least 12 hours. Our TV is cured, so we're just going to remove it and see how easy it is to change liner, swap liners from Smooth Twist liner, Smooth Twist X to Superior liner. Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, sometimes you want to do in-depth cleaning in the barrel, polishing. It's easier to have just the liner, so you don't have to bother with the probe O-ring, the transfer port, unless you want to polish those too. All right. There you go. Ain't she pretty? You know, you can have all your 22 liners with this color-coded, I don't know, you make it 22 cal only, or 30. It's kind of cool if I keep all same caliber, same color. All right, let's put it back in. There you go. Catch you in the next video.